Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. So in this video I'm going to go over how you could potentially make thousands of pounds reselling clothes on eBay. So welcome to the video everyone. So the first thing you obviously need to do is to find some clothes to sell. And to do this you can start off and you can sell your own clothes that might not fit or clothes that you don't want anymore. So this can build up a nice amount of money which you can then use to buy more clothes. And once you've got some money to start, you can go to charity shops or thrift stores to buy designer clothes and then resell them on eBay for a profit. It's hard to find them sometimes, but the ones you do find you could make a good profit on. So I've got some tips for selling on eBay. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your titles are descriptive, so there's a higher chance of people clicking on your listing and then buying it. So another thing is, the second point, try and use a white background and clear photos. This can make your photos look a lot more professional, and you can use the back of a door or the built-in white background like mode on eBay. And if you just go to the photos, you'll find that option. And the third way is to always make sure that you take into consideration the eBay and PayPal fees and the postage to make sure that you make a profit. So when you're in the charity shop, you could have a quick look on what's sold on eBay, like the same t-shirt you're looking at buying, and see what price it's sold for and what price you'd have to buy it for, and see if you'd be able to make a profit. So just make sure you take into account how much it would take to post and what the fees that will be taken away from you are, so you'll make sure you always make a profit. So thanks for watching everyone. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe while we try and hit 10 subscribers. If you are interested and enjoy fashion, this is a great side hustle for you. Remember to stick around to see how you can get entered into the 100 subscriber giveaway. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Remember everyone, we have a 100 subscriber giveaway. All you need to do is click on the link in the description for the video about how you can enter and subscribe. Good luck to everyone who enters. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.